Hello from Contentrain development team. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Assets Manager. From the menu here at the left, click Assets. And you'll be taken to the Assets Manager. You can upload digital assets for your project by clicking the Add Asset button here at the top. This opens a model where you can either drag and drop files or upload them from your computer. Once uploaded, your assets will appear in the Assets table. On this table, you can see the asset details and preview them like this if you like. And if you click the pencil icon on the right, you can view the asset details, edit its name or delete it. These assets can then be easily selected and used in the content of your project. Stay tuned for more walkthrough videos for further insights into using Contentrain.